time after time, you tried your skills in the Memecoin trading game, and time after time, you kept getting rug pulled. Well, how about we don't do that anymore? As you can see, I've been stacking immense amounts of cash using this simple method that I've come up with, and you can do it too. If you just follow the simple steps, you'll get past all the Memecoin trading bullshit and start making money.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're finally here at the point where I'm going to show you the method that has gotten me all this money. But first, there's just one more thing that I wanted to prove to you, okay? So just bear with me while I sort of make the picture clearer. Now, let's take a look at the candles here. You have got a clear example of something that has happened to every single one of us in the trading game. You can see it right here. Let me just highlight it for those who can't see it. The massive rug pull. Look at that. So that is all your liquidity going straight into the dev's pocket. So I decided it's about time that I was the dev and all that liquidity went into my pocket. And it doesn't really matter how the candles fall, it always falls in the dev's favor. Take another look here. So this is a different story. Now this one, we've got this coin which has sort of shot up in value steadily over time, but unless you're at the bottom, you know, unless you're coming in on the ground floor, you're not going to make that much money on this coin. And the only way to do that is either to be the dev or to know the dev. And if you don't have either of those things, then you're not going to make that much money. I mean, look here, these P&Ls that we're going to have a look at here. So, you know, this one's flat, it's not really doing anything, but you know, these P&Ls here, look at this complete straight line, all profit all the way. And the only way you can do that is by being a dev. And that's why we're going to use createcoin.fun. Now, look here. No coding is required. That used to be a big barrier back in the day. Lots of people couldn't get into this game because they couldn't code. Now, if you can't code, don't worry, because this platform only requires you to push a few buttons. No coding is required, and you can launch your own coin and put it on the market and start sucking up that liquidity. Now, let's go back to Axiom a sec. There's something else I wanted to talk about as well, and that's the different kind of markets that these coins are on. Now, this is the pump market where most of the coins end up, and you know, it's pretty good. I mean, some of these market caps are okay, but most of them don't really get past 2k, and even the ones that do break out are only in the, you know, couple tens or maybe even 100 odd k or so. However, if we switch to using dynamic BC here, which focuses on the Matora market, let's have a look at some of these market caps. 120k right at the top, 1.1 million. Look at this packed coin, 37.9 million, 22.4 million. So the market caps on this market are insane, and the reason for that is because it's not full of junk. Okay, there's actually some decent room to grow for your coin, which could benefit us when we launch our own. Now, first thing we need to do is connect the wallet. So we're going to click this button here, and that is going to bring up this menu. We click Phantom, we connect our Phantom wallet. It's as easy as that, guys. You know, it's not complicated. So there's our wallet there. Now, let's have a look at how much I've got in the wallet today. So we're looking at roughly $100. So I've got just over $101 here. I recommend having $100. That is the amount of money you will need to get this process going. And then at this point, this is where you can start making your own coin. You can give it a name. You can give it a symbol. You can choose a cool image. You can come up with a narrative. You can do all these things that are tiresome and frankly based on luck. And you know what? We're going to take luck out of the equation. We're not going to do that, because what we're going to do instead is we're going to use one of the other features. We're going to use copy trending. What this does is it looks at the pump market and finds the coins that people are already talking about. It finds the coins that are already hot. So all that marketing has already been done. All of the sort of busy work, everything else, it's all been done for you. And look at these market caps. They look pretty good. And, you know, any of these will get the results that you want when you follow this method. So we'll just have a quick look, and we'll just pick one that we like the look of. Let's do Moonshot. That's funny. Let's go to the moon. Let's do it. So we'll copy that coin right there, and then that will create the coin for us. Now, this window is going to come up in your corner here, so you need to click proceed anyway. You need to then click confirm. You need to tick a box and click confirm as well. And this is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every single time. Now, our coin is ready to go. We just need to put some liquidity into it to get it onto the market. So we're going to click create liquidity pool. Now, at this point, the only thing you need to change is the amount of SOL. So normally I put around 0.2 into any given coin. You can put a bit more if you like, but to be honest, 0.2 gets you where you need to go. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. So then we're going to click create pool, and then we're going to confirm that transaction. And once we've done that, that puts us into the market, and we'll be able to see how our coin performs on Deck Screener. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at some of this information that we've got about our coin. So remember these values, guys, when we look at the end point of this process. So we're currently sitting at about $14 and we've got 0.2 Sol there. So let's click the lightning bolt here. Now this is the boost token button. This is the secret sauce and this is what makes the method work. Now, this button, it will cost 0.25 Sol, but it will boost us to the top of Dex Screener's trending list. So all the trend chasers and all those people who are just hooking on to whatever's hot are going to start buying our coin. And that is the key. And you'll see in a moment when we run this in real time, you'll see how that works. So we've paid our 0.25. Let's have a quick look on Dex Screener and see how this performs. So here we go. We have just started. And I imagine by the time I refresh, so we're at 28 traders already. That's brilliant. And then, okay, let's have a look. So our market cap already at 4.1. So again, you can see how having the room to breathe is allowing our coin to flex and really grow in terms of its market cap. And then we've got the liquidity. We were at 2K briefly. A lot of activity on this coin this time. Now, again, it doesn't really matter if you've got people selling, as long as you've got, as long as you've got at least one person who has bought, when we pull the rug, we're going to make money regardless. So, you don't need that many people to have actually bought into your coin to make some tidy profit. But because of that booster, you're going to see that we are going to start kicking up the charts very, very soon. So here we go. So we're looking at nearly 400 traders. And as I said, you can run that just for a bit of time there. And then we will refresh here, and then let's see. So we were at $14.74. Now we're at 1.29K. Guys, that is an insane jump from $14 to 1.29K. 17 Sol from our 0.2. I mean, plus our 0.25 and transaction fees. That's a crazy amount of profit. That's insane. So let's pull all that liquidity. So we hit the minus, hit 100%, and then we remove the liquidity there. Now, half of what I make today potentially will go to you if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Okay, so soon enough, we're going to see how much money will be in that prize pool. And if you do all those things, I will put you in a prize draw. So $100 up to $1,299. Guys, we've 10x'd today, and that was in the space of barely a few minutes. All right, so that is how you can make insane money on this platform.